So this is people, this is the one and only Captain Jack. This is Jamaica Good Life, and we're gonna look at his farm. This man is a legend. That is why some gifts me receive, me deserve it. Some gifts me receive, me not deserve it. And because this gift I have, me not deserve it, I'm going to give it to this man. Because this man make the junk on the drum. He's a fisherman, and the man also farm. So the gift for this brethren give me, him say, Randy, no give to nobody. Me say, I don't make nobody touch it, him say. And I said to myself, when me meet you, Mr. Jack, the Spirit said to me, Randy, that this gift is not for you. That gift is for this man. Because it's a big thing, and you not supposed to, you not earn this. And this tool, you don't need to use this tool. Because the tool could be a good tool or a violent tool. So me's a man of peace. But you, man, you make the drums. And the gift that I have to give you will enhance what you do. So now with the Almighty I say, Randy, if you have this gift for this man give you, you might hurt somebody with it. You see, even though it's a majestic gift, but you are wise, Randy. And if the Spirit tell me to do something, me's a man, it no matter what man tell me to do. Once the Spirit tell me to do something, I say that is, because the day me met you, my brother, I'm sense your energy, and I realize that this man is one of them ancient. I go straight down?
Yeah, I go straight, go cross the red light.
Alright. And from the day I met you, I realized that this man is one of those men. And we go pick up the gift now. I find them every now and then. Randy don't do this for the views and the likes. I do this for the spirituality. A lot of people don't know that Jamaica Good Life is Jamaica God Life. And that's its real name, but I never want to say Jamaica God Life. So I say Jamaica Good Life. So we look for the godly people then. And when we find them, we spotlight them. When they get famous now, everybody's like, you don't say you're famous? Where money there? But it's Jamaica God Life. God sent me to find the good ones.
That money do it, man. Spiritual money come
so
after,
people, now that you see me, Captain Jack, and we're going to the farm, and him going to get famous, please. Oh no, nobody come upon him like ticks. This is the disclaimer before we even start. Oh no, nobody with no, for him spirit strong enough. So if we don't come, we're not gonna get mashed down. So people, that one yeah, the gift for me for that man yeah. That one yeah no normal. So I find a legend in Jamaica. Now I find the cat man. Right? I find the cat man. And now look at the mountains, people. You don't know the mountain name. That's what I love about St. James. It can be city and one time a straight man. I say it can be city and one turn a straight country. Look how beautiful. That's so short distance from us out the bush. But we're not gonna bring you in and show the man who farm there, but see him there. This man is a legend Jamaican. Legend, and it's an honor. He make the junk on the drum. He's a master fisherman of over 40 years, right? And he's also a farmer, so he does both. If he's not fishing, he's farming. So when it comes to wisdom and spirituality, he's gonna get one of the highest honor from a friend in St. Thomas. And because I'm gonna give you this gift, my friend that gave me this gift must know, say, wow, if Ron ready to give up that gift to you, it means that gift, we're one. So is this your land?
No, this is Barnett land. I lease it.
You lease it? How many years you lease it?
Quite a year. Because when I come here stand with lagoon like this, when you're like 12 o'clock it's dark like midnight, because it's dark, or you stick with lagoon.
Yeah.
We clean it down. When I came here, one little cocoa plant I find. So what you're gonna see, all what you're looking at me plant them. All what you're gonna see
Wow. So how many acres is it?
Well, it's about, when I lease it first, it's about 2.5 acres. So they say you must plant any amount I want to. So I just take and plant, just to capture
wow.
But I'm paying for it.
Let me see.
It's not, I just, like, I think it's $100 here.
So this is for the scarecrow, the dolly where you hang.
I just put it there, I just really put it there, not for no reason.
Hold it there. People, and hey, don't come here, so. People, you see, oi. Uh-oh, me tell you, say. Oi. Oi. Lord of mercy.
What you looking on? What you looking on is
when the bird them see this, them say no. When the spirits them out the road, they say no. Why? No, Captain. Before me pass this, I have to pray. Lord, I'll be gonna go on a journey. Protect me and guide me. And I hope I don't do anything wrong to upset the farm. Because this farm is highly protected. Hey! I know say nobody can thief nothing out here, so. You are security. How long you been working here? Oh, you have a security guard too. Oh, she have a name? What you turn your back for me for? Me talking to you, turn around. Me say me, do I have permission? Hey, Captain, he now look for me. What is this for me today, sir? Why? What a bangarang! Mighty God! Mr. Turn around and look for me, picnic. What is this? I'm talking to you. What? Why? This is a protection today. See, what's your name? Oh, Candy is your name. Oh, you like to play? You know much people are afraid of this, they're going to run hide. Me tell the dolly if you turn on Candice, I'm Randy. Pleased to meet you. How long you been playing in the farm? 2 years? So you like to eat the banana? You run on at night, right? Yeah. So we talk later, cause here I go check out, me know say you like the view. I go check out the farm and this is Jamaica good life. Just make sure, alright? I go pass now, okay? Just get to know me. And you, Mr. Security, my name is Randy. Me's a good guy. Alright. No worry yourself. Okay. Later, Candice, we see you later. Alright, later. You see, she like me, you know? Look how she stay for me. He like me. Whoa, you turn around now. You like me? She a smile. Lord God, the people of Jamaica are going to say, no, sir. No, sir, Randy. How you know if you control Candice? No, sir. We never seen that. No. Why? No wonder why I said to Captain Jack, he's a special man, you know. And I say, I'm going to see this fun farm.
All you need now is some rain.
Captain, so this is your pineapples.
All what you looking on? See all that fruit you way over there? All what you looking at? Way over that.
So basically you planted.
All what you see is me do that.
Whoa, somebody else there, I said to. Wait there. What? I went to. Why? Nadine, no long time you left your mama yard, but you know long you not come home. You have an outfit too. How a girl like you wear man clothes? Why? I won't mess up Nadine here. What is this? You're a hot girl farm. Hey? But you know normal, you know. Young Candice, her sister. Mr. Captain Jack! The birds them. Why? I want me not find nobody else. And the whole family. Why? Me almost bought me too. Alright, bye Nadine. What the ratted? What kind of farm this, sir? You know, so nobody now want to come visit the farm and say, no, sir. Have you ever gone to Captain Jack farm?
If you way over that top, that's where me in.
Wait there.
You see how far me there?
All the way over?
Me alone. All the way I look for. There's another fence over there for your next man. But all these where you see the gutter there is mine. Come back, go way back across here. Where's that building? Way down in that corner. Me do all of that, and I me one. That's why we say I don't waste time at seaside. That's all what I'm doing, what you see. Me alone, no company.
Wow.
I don't like company. All of these trees and plants are looking at.
Wow, all the pineapple. You dig up, you use your fork?
Yeah.
So you use your fork for, your fork alone?
Yeah man, you can't fork any amount of land into a
You take your time. Enough pineapple you plant though?
Yeah man, just need some rain.
I have your bamboo.
And you see me cut them. Need to pick some breadfruit and coconut.
You don't have no more family members you need to tell me about?
Like here? No.
Candice and Nadine. Who else? Oi! Mr. Jack, I see it now. Because you said to me, Randy, wait till you come to the farm. I know the farm impressed with now Candice and Nadine. They run from their yard how long now and now check this out.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, potato and wow, Mr. Jack. You really is a different kind of man.
All what you're looking at, my friend. And it's me alone doing my thing. What's the pineapple palm tree, Chino?
This is an apple tree?
Yeah, look up.
Some need one or two of them.
Apple palm tree like this.
I'm going to go get some of the suckers to plant.
Man, there's a apple palm tree there, man.
Eh? I'm going to go get
If you
apple.
go on and look up, you'll see a plant tree. Look up.
And you see the suckers them?
Yeah. Look up, man.
When we're ready, I'll come get some suckers for you.
Yeah, man.
What are sucker here?
That is mutton sap.
So, sir?
Mutton sap. What if I up in the tree there?
Why no?
Up in the tree.
We have a stick, right?
Yeah, man, you can climb it.
Oh, thank you, my brother. Yeah, suckers too. Wow. This is camp. Wow. The mind sharp when every time you come you see me there at the camp. Look here. Let me have your foot like in. There at the camp. Hey, I'm not going to help you farm, my brother.
All kind of things been ready, man. Here, everything.
Wow. Look at this. Wow. You know, some I go turn your farm into an adventure. The tourists them a come.
Yeah.
All the foreigners them a go say, yo, I want to say Captain Jack, you know. You're the farm, normal, you know. So this is St. James people. You know, so the peace and tranquility don't have something normal.
Make sure something now, because some people want to know you plant.
Let me put this here, sir.
Yes. You plant something that you want. You see how we do them.
Wow, I'm in St. James people, I'm still in Mobay. And basically, that's the thing I love about Mobay. You have the ocean and the farm. Wow. This is the liberty coming off of all the way to Manchester.
Okay. There's like more you want to see, man. A big place and a little. Now we planting a crop of cane, but just a show now we started. I used to have cane plenty. But this is careful because it's static.
So when it wet, it's rough.
Yes, you can walk free, but when it's dry,
So I've got to dig some step hole.
yeah. See how me do it now. Make some row and lay the cane in flat.
Yeah.
When they grow, they mold it. See I'm gonna need the rain now. So you see all the way up to there. I'm gonna plant a good crop of cane here to go up because I used to sell a lot of cane.
Yeah.
But what really happened through the rat them was eating them. I cut them down and put in planting and banana. It was cane first I plant.
Okay.
And then I started putting planting and those things. So you see all the way up is mine. All the way behind you, all around what you're looking. So that's the I do my thing.
So let me ask you, they still lease land like these?
No. Because here
How many years ago you did this?
I only 5 years now. Because all these trees what you see I planted. So you
with
know,
them
say
tree,
like, all those trees what you see, no tree at all wasn't here, but pure lagwood.
wait there, all
of these trees what you're looking at is me plant them.
yeah, say to me.
Everything what you're looking at.
So even the pear tree?
All what you're looking at, that's what I'm telling you.
I just logwood it there.
Just pure lagwood. When I came here,
All the coconut tree, yeah.
when I came here, it's a little cocoa root like this. I can't find the size. When I came here, just pure lagwood walk. And if you look at it now, so see how me do it now, planting a crop of cane. So you saw me set them.
Yeah.
In next 6 or 7 months, when you come here, you can't believe it's some cane like this. Cause I used to sell cane.
Yeah.
Through the rock, them I did stuff. So all of these, me and me go right up. I'm gonna plant the whole of this section go up in cane. Yeah. So you have all the way back, go back to sun now. All these trees what you're looking at, all of these trees what you're looking at.
All them coconut tree
And
are
you plant
you
them. If you look up on them, coconut.
What to
Down
the
the
big,
bottom,
the big tree, yeah.
it's coconut. It's,
No, the big one there beside.
behind it,
Yeah.
it's pear.
A pear tree?
It's some big pear like this.
You plant them?
It's me plant all of them, that's what I'm telling you. All what
40
you're
years
looking
ago?
at, that is more, I don't think, more than that, man. I dare you more than that.
Whatever.
More than that.
Oh, Captain Jack, you're a legend. That's why I tell you.
No, I dream see this place and this was my dream. Yes, I dream see I have a farm. It's like one of my uncle have the farm and he can't manage it. So I say somebody in the family go and manage it. And I dream see this place before I have it. There was a man who was having it. I was trying to control it. See, I film, him bite from Barnet, but was the other guy in Barnet who was running the place. Was named Mark him bite from. But he was raising cow and it, so it's like him control it, was raising cow. So I'm saying buying it, but he wasn't in there. He didn't buy it. It's like a generalship. So they come to the reality, he have no papers to show and say all of the papers them the man them were like, we call you representative. All of those people die. Wow, witness. All of those people die and no paper to say title or paper for sure say yes, present him by the place. So they get him off. What me do, I was begging my little spot to plant some ground and he give me the spot. So when I say, hello, if you come off, I go down there and I talk to him. I say, hi, I love the farming. I would like to have a piece of the land to farm. They say, all right, hold on, they will get back to me. When they get back to me, they say, all right, we must control the place. They tell me, say, we must pay $1 a square. So I lease 2.5 acres. And I pay for every year. Right now I have all my receipt. I pay for this place every year. The last time I go down there, they don't want to collect my money. It's like them say, this not in the computer. It's like they know for their whole land. What they want to say, they turn it over to parish council because trees are gutter and a gully. It's like they don't respond for it. They like to say the parish council know to respond for it. So it's like they not even want to collect my money. So I force them to say, yes, take it, put in the kitty and give me a receipt. Me make sure I have a receipt every year.
Got it.
I make sure I have a receipt for this place every year. And when they don't want to take my money, I say force them to take it, put in the kitty, make sure that money can do something in the kitty, give me a receipt.
Give me a receipt.
Yes. That's what I do when I have this place to keep do my thing.
Because you know get your receipt, then we say anything.
What them tell me can build board, but nothing in concrete. And no let no one like lease, no one give no one be responsible to this place. And have it for lifetime.
Wow.
So that's what I'm doing.
So we can't, here man I said to you, you can make hammock, right?
Yeah man.
So we can make a hammock and people can come visit you and cook.
Yeah man.
Right?
Can be,
So basically, straight from the airport, a man can come on the farm and eat some fruits.
yes, but when he's here because remember not here all the time.
Oh, yeah, with fishing.
Yeah.
But then we just call you.
Yeah, so
And-
people you walk now, you know.
Yeah, me kind of decided.
Walk sideways, so me walk.
Yeah,
Put
maybe.
sideways, not straight,
Me
you gotta
know,
skate.
me know,
Yes,
me
sideways.
know, me know
Come in
this.
sideways.
Me did see it's
So
kind of
if you
side.
have a balance. Yeah, cause it kind of slippery when you try.
Yeah.
So you take your time coming.
So the pier come in too.
No, not peer time, no. When
Not
peer time,
when it come in, it come
when
in.
peer time you cannot manage peer.
So you sell the pier then?
Yeah. But peer they're like rice grain. Peer like a peer.
How much per dozen your pier?
Well, I just sell it like 101.
101.
And a gateway.
That
Gateway.
better I know because $400 them have charged for them.
Gateway a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly give away. Yeah, man, take your time, man.
Yeah, man.
Guys, skate it. When the rain falls.
So you sell dry coconut too?
Yeah, man. One or maybe somebody come and buy a 4,000 or 5,000. Come have a lady will come and carry going to the market.
How much you sell them for?
I sell like $100 one. I don't sell it there.
Got it.
Like $100 one. And when he come, he give him couple well pan, he say go hustle. Himself. Yeah,
Okay.
I mostly give you a lot of my things them.
Well, we're going to buy some from you.
Mostly a lot of my things them me eat with. Don't step on this, guys, skate you. This.
The roof there.
Skate you.
People. Captain Jack, you're definitely a legend. People, them tree, I him plant them tree.
What you see?
I him plant them tree. And you see some of them suckers, yeah? When we come back down, I mean, if we go Manchester, I'm going to...
Talking about dry coconut? Dry coconut all different type. When me came here, is a coke root like this was here, nothing else.
Captain, when we come back, I want some suckers come here, bring them to Manchester, go plant them.
You can get all kind of suckers.
All the pear tree them too, wow.
Banana, so ripe and tree and thing, but planting now, me sell out the planting there.
What is one?
What's that? This? This is a mango.
What kind of mango you grow? Just the one then?
No man, me have big mango man, me have East Indian and all different type of mango. Stringy this.
Let's go see the banana. Jano! Look there. Look here. A banana walk. So Captain Jack, nobody no even try come around here, so.
Sometimes they use a planting, but they kind of know how.
The legend, fisherman and farmer, now.
All these yam now have to take out already, shiny and those. And I have them big and long, just like renter.
Yeah?
Yeah, the beer is the first I ever see shiny yam like that. I have them like this size, this length. I'm going to make you get some before you leave.
Thank you.
So we're going to go to that now. So what I do, plant some little trees, fruit tree, bird fruit, little bit, little that. But what I do, I scatter it all over the place. All over. Because I have the space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is why I say this is one of Jamaica's greatest man. Him work hard, him take him time, and him is a fisherman, catch the shark, and him do the farming. There's no other
Careful.
Captain Jack, there's not many men like you.
Where you walk.
You're a general. You see me? That's why I bring the gift for me give for you. Cause you, me not deserve this I give you. So me say, you know what?
These now, it's some different variety of East Indian. They're big about like this. About like this. They're big, you know, big something like a breadfruit, you know, big something them. Some try to catch a breed. It's a different variety. No, make I show you what I do yesterday alone. But you know if you can reach down there.
Yes.
Alright, here's some of the easy. You come sideways, you make the way. Come sideways and go down here somewhere. Take your time and come sideways.
People need to buy their shoes, you know. People fans need to buy their shoes.
Take your time and come sideways. Just come sideways, I'm gonna skate it. Don't step on the banana crash. Try, don't step on these. Yeah, I'm gonna slide it. You kinda catch your grip and hold on. So I'm going down to a steep. Here. So just take your balance easily. Come easily. Remember the planting before you go in and you know how to get it.
Okay.
Come easily. Easy.
Cocoa too.
Take your time easily. This is a tangerine, so I'll catch them.
So how, you know if you catch them?
Yeah man, catch it by the seed and plant it.
So you catch them quick?
Yeah, see. This
So
is
you can catch
big mandarin this.
you can catch a whole heap of them for me?
Yes, man. But what you do with the seed? When you're eating the fruits, don't make the seed go into your mouth. It kill the plant.
Oh, because acid in your mouth.
Look here now.
Acid in your mouth.
Yeah. Don't the seed go into your mouth. And you squeeze out the seed. All these ready, but it want to burn off. You see? Very bare. Come. This is yesterday work alone. What I do yesterday. See there? Yesterday I do this alone.
Okay. You're the first man me see with mandarin tree I catch.
Eh?
Yeah. When me get money, me I go just pay if you catch them. Cause I want you see how you do your place, so my mission is to bring you up over there and make you go meet King Baba one day. And
I know I want some different variety of plants for the Lego in the place, man.
You're going to love King Baba.
Anything for me untouched, you carry it if it is my dead. And me take it up and do some plant it. You frightened if you see him start it up. That is, me don't know if the nature of me, anything me hand touch pan name plant, it coming. You understand? So all those bananas, I'm not even look on them, you know, they stand and spoil up, you know, fall down.
Raw compost. A mandarin this?
Yeah, man.
Raw compost. Eh. So even the one, if you cut it off and give me the green one, it's going to ripe at the yard.
Yeah, you're right, but they're not so sweet when they're ripe, you know. But then you make like banana bread.
Okay. Raw compost. You catch them?
Yeah, me catch them.
How long it take you to catch it?
Miss about for a year now, me set this, so it just start to come now. It start to come, you see.
So if you get a mandarin today, you can set it?
Yeah, man.
A coffee suckers them there?
Yep.
Them here?
Yeah, man.
So you gotta replant them?
Yeah.
Raw compost.
Tell us I have everything.
Raw compost.
You have coffee? You have coffee?
Alright.
So what me doing here? This says something seriously me doing.
You
says something seriously.
You're beyond serious.
Alright, good.
You're godly. It's a difference. But what me I said to you, me need a lawn chair to sit down and hide. Me not hide from police, but when you're there at the farm and me know say you don't have friends and you don't keep company.
No, Sam, don't do that.
No. But once a month you have to say around the I come sit down and sleep. Because you see that tree here? Starper tree been my enemy.
Our enemy.
Cause them not like when you climb them, they limb tall up and you can't go up on the second limb and go pick nothing.
Yeah, start to pan it, you know.
And it's fresh?
No, it's sweet, man.
No, me I say starper ready?
No, not ready. See what if I start to pan the straw about from the tree, man. They're sweet, you know. I sugar them.
Me know.
Yeah,
I'm a favorite fruit, you know.
Yeah, sugar them.
But they mean.
We go for them when you want them, man.
How you go for them?
Yeah, me tree one.
Are you stick?
Yeah.
Alright, me come back for now. In my life, how you da catch the sucker here?
You can't catch any more, man.
Please catch.
I'm up and wait for sucker tree what some tree.
I'm going to show my brother the video here, because I want me and him to put some money together for you to catch some sucker for
You
me.
never see nutmeg tree? You know nutmeg?
You know, me never see that yet, you know.
That's to show you the way I hope what I'm doing. But here's a nutmeg tree.
Wait there.
See if you can tell right here. Take your time come across.
The bridge.
This is a nutmeg tree this.
Is a nutmeg tree this?
Yes.
Oh, you catch it?
Yeah, man. See one next one down there.
How long it?
How serious I am.
Yes.
The man carry a little sucker, me ask him and go away there and buck it up and carry a little sucker like this. And here's the tree.
Yes.
And see the next one down here, so. See the next one down here, so.
Wow.
That is the next one down there, so. If you notice, we taking sweet sap and what do you call the other tree and you see the tree them there? The round big thing them there, where it's sweet, where you can juice it, well sweet, see the tree them there. Catching all different kind of plant. That's why I tell you say I want a lot of plants right now.
Oh.
If I get a truckload of yam right now, that do me well too.
Wait, slow down.
To show you how me serious.
What you say? If you get truckload of
Yam head
for plant.
to plant.
Mhm.
Down with it same way.
Okay.
Now look, we have the land. All are surrounded. That's what I'm trying to do, you know. Catch any amount of variety of yam we can sell and make back our money. Because hungry time and come, people are hungry. And if me sell cheap and reasonable and give away who me can give away to me nice. That's where I'm living. So me want to live. When me give away something, you know, brother, you would know me feel comfortable and feel proud, you know, brother. And me that. It's just at the nature. Yeah. When me give you something, I feel happy, I feel nice. Me know me can give you something. That's what you need.
So now here's a question for you. Can me have the yam connection?
You have the yam connection?
Yes, sir.
But you don't know.
Can me know so you have the Chinese yam head.
Yeah.
So you can exchange it for the yellow yam head.
Well, yellow yam is too green around here, so.
You know, agree.
Plant it and not come. What really happen? Me come, but me have to go use the fertilizer. And true, me not use the fertilizer.
Oh, okay,
but
okay.
if you touch with fertilizer, brother, them come. But you me don't use it.
So what kind of yam head you want?
And me get renter and white afu.
Right, alright, me make a connection for you.
And when you have one name, nigga yam and mozilla. Try if you catch a plant and mozilla till a week. If me ever catch it around here, I know nothing normal.
We got enough yam head, man.
Alright, no, come let me get your stuff now. Time ago. I know you're not hurry.
No, sir.
Okay.
I mean,
you have the holiday.
we are at the camp with there, brother.
Okay. Well, you're not hurry that.
No, sir, because me I go sit down, drink 2 coconuts.
All these that you looking at yam already to dig, you know. All these are yam already. The farm no liquor, you know, brother.
How are you planting here, sir?
That is tangerine. Big mandarin.
So you have a lot of them? You just try to catch it?
Yeah, me have couple tree well. That couple tree what go tall already. Now you say you want dry coconut, you have dry coconut here like
Whoa! Some of them suckers, you go plant more of the suckers them.
no, we don't need any more.
I go plant some of them in Manchester.
You say you want dry coconut.
Wow.
The amount, you guys cut that to sell it. Dry coconut, I'm going to sell it. When we drop them, store them. These are grow one, when you amount. All of these 3 me plant them, all what you looking at. The farm go way back over mountain over there, so. Go back. All those man you see there, it be eastern. This place is a way past top of it, you know, a big place now. So please say a little place and me alone do this. Alright, come and show you a part of it because you can walk up here like this.
So you want more introduce you to my uncle, King Baba.
Okay.
Because him do farming too. Yeah, so you are the Jamaica Good Life fisherman and farmer. Special t-shirt you have. Your boat. Wow.
All what you looking at, my brother.
All of them, yeah, you plant
What
them.
you looking at.
Ah, man.
Easy place.
Oh, man.
Take your time and come, man.
This no normal, brother.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man. There's enough mosquito now there, yeah, sir. Wow, there's a big tree down here.
And bees in it too. And bees are there right inside.
Okay. People, this are the real. Oh, jelly. We'll get a jelly.
Yes, man. Take your jelly, man. You're not sure how you this man.
What it is? Look at the people. I must say, I want to go Manchester, go plant up the land, you know. We have 5 acres, you know. So I want to do. People, look here. Just like that. Giving thanks for the giving of thanks. See it there? This is brother. This is the life. This are the best farm ever come from in my life. You know. The man say up here log with the there so. And who there there so now the cross there? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So we don't get it cut. You have to go for the machine.
Alright.
That is yours.
Thank you, my brother. See people? Yes. Yeah, I must say. Can I make porridge with it? Alright. Me? You want me to wait for you?
No, come on. Come on. Then you have to do the fish, get your things, dig your things and get your things, not change the shirt.
Okay.
Like the shirt,
This was an honor. You've been telling me about this farm the longest.
As far as place, no brother, I up there most of the yam them is up the top.
Okay.
Most of the yam them. I sit in the tent. I can sit down and make $1 when nothing not going on. If I'm still a phone, I am a banana, a plantain. Big cut some planting, you cannot manage them. Figure out the road, see them. Tar something, see your finger them long.
Yeah.
But you see through the weather now, the drought, that's why it's looking like this. When the rain fall 1 2 days, I know not normal when you come here, man.
Wow.
And the place is creek. It's flat and it's creek. When you think it's up down ready, I wait for you. It's creek. The place is very creek. If I'm going all the way up there, down back up the hill, you know. All the way.
Banana coconut.
Yeah, come this way, man. We can take it short, come back.
Wow. Wow.
All what you see is me, my brother.
Oh, man. Captain, I'm going to turn this into a tourist resort, okay?
All what you looking at, brother, is me.
So, visit Captain Jack's farm. They can reach out to me. Alright? From Jamaica Good Life. Because, my brother, I have to filter them out, you know. You know. Because they would have some craving dog out the road, you see. And some envious people when they see me link up with the good people. How come Good Life always find the best people them?
Yeah.
Hey, good heart, good mind attracts good heart, good mind. And you know this time where everybody hungry and you have it abundantly. See it there? Look at all that color cooking. Look at that one there too.
All that was is East Indian then. Different type of East Indian. Slide.
See one. See people, tourists. When you come to Jamaica and I'm in a hotel and you want to do a farm tour or the oceanside tour, remember, you have to pay him a good amount for the day because the man go fishing and farming. So please no wasting time, things say a $2 payment. This promotion is to set in motion him health. He's getting older. So when you guys come and you want to do a real farm tour, there is Captain Jack Farm Tour on Jamaica Good Life.
No, it's East Indian.
Ooh.
That's where me do them and make them stay.
Oh.
Yes, so me history and weed now, so you understand?
So you say you don't use no fertilizer upon them banana here?
I don't want to see it.
So let me tell you, there's a man in Manchester in the program. Him not use nothing. You see your yam them? He would have buy your yam them from you.
Okay.
Because I don't want nothing with fertilizer.
Alright.
So I'm going to show him the video and give this to you.
Okay.
And banana, nothing no fertilize.
Alright, look now. All of you up to the top is pure yam. All those yam what you're looking at ready.
Them ready?
Them ready. Ready to go.
What you saying to me?
All those yam what you looking at,
How much a pound you selling for?
I sell it like for $100 a pound.
What you saying to me?
Look here, all those yam what you looking, ready yam to go. You see the yam what I give you Chinese yam? That days you're looking at.
Oh,
And I
Captain.
have rent and all different type mix up.
What you saying to me?
Yeah. Here's my line, my fence. See me fencing?
Oh, what that? A cow that?
Cow.
Me hear something I can. A plant tree drop?
Maybe something just for selling.
Then,
If you notice it, you fence
then,
and I me do that.
when you go fishing, you just need to get the hammock and come sleep. Chano.
So up here says the top now. You see, so the farm did look how far the pole is and look where the
What
farm
is
is.
this?
And me alone do that.
What is this?
You think it is if you are one man? You my brother?
Mm-hmm.
You ever see a one man do something like this?
Mm-hmm.
Take your time. Oh, here says it's top of the farm. This is the top of the farm now, look. And me alone that, you know, brother. All of these yam ready. All of these yam ready to take out the earth.
Wow, yeah, I forgot to dig a pound.
All of these yam ready to take out the earth. All what you looking all about is yam. Yam all about to take out.
I forgot they got-
yam done.
Dig a 10 pounds for me.
Look, see there? Come and show you.
Another Chinese yam.
See? Look, when it's ready, see? It's real, natural, ready to eat. That means it vine drop off complete. When the yam ready, it must sow it for stay, drop off, and then it got the full protein and everything well ready. That means it well fit, well ripe. Near to soon spoil, that means it well ready. That's how you might think, we do my thing. Must ready. Me no fi dig it any unready, must ready.
Got it.
Yeah. So that all you here you see is yam.
And you got further back to go too.
Yeah, man.
You go clean up more.
No, you see the fencing over there, so there's the end, but it's big. So look all the way, look. It's me alone, look, you see? You see that?
Yeah.
So we take it one at a time. Part at a time, a part at a time. So you notice I planted really putting all around. This is mountain sap. All of these jam ready now, brother, ready for dig.
Wow. Yeah, cassava too. Well, what kind of tree them this?
As far as you can look. No, that is wild
Bush?
Wild bush.
Are you fark that?
No man, that is all the time.
Oh, okay.
That's used and done. Yes, so you see, it's not an easy place to have here. See that? All these jam now have to get them.
I made it to the top.
Yes, to the top. You go right up to the top. All of these I'm ready to take out. So now if we start take them out from, can't make them stay no long this time because they will burn. We'll start taking them out. So they're right up to the top. This is where the ending at the farm. From the top to the bottom.
So I'm going to introduce you to the man. I'm going to come soon, come check you. Because I will tell you how much pound. So you have different kind.
See, all of these yam. And then beer. When them beer, you crack the dirt. You know when them beer. Yes, when them beer, when them ready, and beer powerful, you crack up the dirt. See, dirt are crack. So all what you're looking at and beer back. Alright, come we get going now, cause I have to get your thing ready.
Yes, my brother.
Look about your thing now. So when you see me at seaside and saying my farm, you wouldn't understand, you see it for yourself.
Got it.
Yeah.
So if people see this, you know, think they're going to envy you.
Well, that is them trouble, them to work.
Them for work.
Yeah. Well, that's what So visit me and you see what's going on. And you come now when nothing is not here. Because when things is here, brother. Sure. I don't know, you know. So you know, say nothing not there. So you know, and you still can find something. But when things is here, boy, I wouldn't want to be here. I waste the waste and spoil. As you tell you again, it's like a blessing. This all these piercing, when them beer no nothing normal, the material and just hang down so, loaded. Mango the same thing, everything when you look.
I said the coconut, the dry coconut 100 a pound. 101.
Yeah, well, if right now for selling all these coconut, all of these are for sale right now. I think me now see the lady to come for them. You want your jelly?
Yeah, yes please. You have crocus bag?
Yes, man. You have everything on my phone.
People, to all the members of Jamaica Good Life, the members of Jamaica Good Life, you're going to get the farming experience. Me introducing you to the best man in Jamaica, and then you can catch your fish too and your produce. I mean, you are God sent. You're God sent, my brother. God sent you. You're God pick me. See the people, this is Jamaica Good Life. Thank you, my king.
Anything
this is Randy.
Come off of this farm, well sweet like
blessings to love.
well sweet like sugar, brother. You don't want to stop. Everybody will make it coming back.
Captain Jack, how much is that one of them coat?
No, just $100.
Alright. You know what I could.
You know, sir, well sweet something then?
You know what I'm gonna do right now? You see in our life, when the Africans them do something in their life, you ever see them at wedding? Right? When things like this happen, you do this. Hey! You know the Africans them do to bless the ground. Hey! Oi! This is our blessings. Hey! And if we did have more, we would dash everything from the ground. You see that work? That's how you do spiritual work. See it there? I give thanks for your love. For give me a coconut like that. My brother, the gong is breast, and then any amount of money me make.
What me I give me now charge, I give me I give. That's the spirit of me.
Me know. This is for the kitty. This is for the bucket. See the bucket there, people. But make sure you don't come. Don't disrespect the bucket. See the coconut there. Me buy coconut out the road in a brother. But this?
This is me things them different, brother. But me I tell you no joke talk, not afraid. My things them is different. Everybody who make it they say no, sir, this I eat different. It's sweet, everything they want, they then just come in want more, cause it's nice. I don't know why.
Because no fertilizer that in here.
Natural me deal with.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but everybody who me give, been coming back so they never get nothing like that. Even the very coconut, even the very apple, they all different, me don't know why.
Because no,
sweet!
Because a virgin land and your spirit good. You know, see my brother. Okay.
Sweet, my brother, me don't know
save
what,
two of the gel them
but
for
it's
me.
different.
Boy.
What you want, jelly?
Two of them.
The jelly all about the tree, any amount you want.
Boy. How can you be a musician, Ecostan? A farmer? And a fisher? Eh?
You remember father they said Noah go build the ark, you know, more Noah a musician and a fisherman in one too, you know.
Oh.
You remember that? The father said to Noah, play the sound and let them my people follow.
Yes.
And then but the animal them follow. The father said, well if you watch nature you can't go wrong.
This year,
So
it's
he is nature.
This is Chinese yam.
Okay.
Renter.
Renter yam. We're doing some renter yam right now.
Renter?
Yes,
Oh
sir.
my God, that would be good with some very good.
Yes. How much per pound you sell the renter yam for, sir?
$100.
All right. I'm sell for $100.
We can't beat that.
200 in the market, but 100 myself.
Remember now, people get some? Very good. And steamed fish.
We're gonna dig about
No harm.
30 pound of yam today.
You know what I want you to do for me, brother, right?
Yeah.
You gotta Google the location. Send me information so I can find. I'm definitely feeling him spirit. I love him spirit.
Listen to me. The man have
Move.
Eccleston, the man have a lot of yam ready to dig at $100 a pound.
I have something. Yeah.
When put the coat and light and let me eat it.
We eat that.
Yeah, throw it up.
You ain't go now.
Are you seeing the yam?
Yeah. But I want to tell you something to tell him
Yeah.
when he was talking to me.
Mm-hmm.
You know me already, my thing normal. He has a family member that passed. It's around him, but I see a cloud of goodness around him.
Yeah.
Don't have to say, my
Message
brother.
to him,
Good follow good.
message.
It's a good follow good.
Good follow good. You don't have to say, brother.
I see. And I'm sure that he have to see that angel over him. I saw it around him speaking to him, matching move.
Mm-hmm.
He has something coming to him very big in a
Alright.
short time.
I see it, brother. See it
It's
long
coming.
time.
You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I received that message for him in the spirit. You know, when I connect with good people, the Most High open that door of light with righteousness to me and that person.
I see it long time, but I don't know what's coming.
Mm-hmm.
But him prepare himself for something big. I see that.
Yes.
Them say I see it long time, but I don't know what's coming.
Well.
It's coming this year.
Mm-hmm.
When I speak, I don't miss. Unexpected anointed coming to you. The Most High tell me to tell you that.
Mm-hmm.
It's real.
You see what him saying? I see it long time, but I don't know what it is.
Mm-hmm. You must say the man a dig the renter, you know. A long time. Captain Jack, let me take over for a second and show you hold the camera. Eccleston, we're gonna finish up the yam then. We talk later. We're gonna finish up the yam then. Hold come over here and hold it so. Me want to dig it.
See one down the bottom there.
Alright.
Don't bore it.
Oi, see Randy, I go dig the yam now. Hey, easy night. See the renter yam them there. Wow.
Me help some when me dig them then well large, you know, brother.
See it there? Me not go do it. I drop me a make. You know, I'll mess up your thing, Captain.
Alright.
Yes, my people. Eccleston boy, are the king, you know, him wealthy. One of the richest man in Jamaica. Banana tree for days.
I'm not rich with money, brother. I'm rich with love.
Rich with love.
Yeah, whip my mouth run water.
Banana trees for days. We have banana around here, so rotten.
My wife blowing that slow blow. But you know, you too much of it.
Look there.
Man, you're the road you did too much.
Star apple trees.
Nah, but
Yeah, man. Soon ready.
want some stuff if I'm not eating no.
Star apple tree soon ready. Yeah. Mango tree for days. Cane tree. Banana drop off banana rotten around here, so. I know. Eh? Alright, watch that. Now send out next time. Hey, you see this?
So he cut.
Silent.
If you notice, you don't see no little red sign and mark around.
Pay attention. Just pay attention, brother.
You notice you don't see no red mark around, no redness around.
No say nothing.
You know why? Fertilizer. When fertilizer in yam, you see some red mark around, right around inside the yam. If you notice, it's natural and very clear, natural. If you notice, it's natural. You don't have no sign of 30. You just see the red mark around like when 30 you see some sign of red mark. That's no good for you, man. This is natural. Natural.
Yeah.
Look.
I see it, man. Beautiful.
Natural.
Wow.
Natural things me deal with. Natural.
Right now. Right now, with that so.
You're going to have to come feed.
Natural. No 30.
So we're go.
That's where my things them beer. When them beer natural and big.
Wow, my brother.
Natural.
Wow.
Natural things that you get in your friend. Natural me deal with friend.
No fertilizer, brother. No fertilizer.
Look, see that? Natural.
No fertilizer. Eccleston, you're going to live long and happy now. You're going to live forever. We can all dry them and grate them and store them.
No, if you put them too long, maybe I don't know if we keep. No, if you want to keep, you have to make the head on it. Keep the head on it and it keep till next year.
Oh, keep
you don't take off the head.
So, oh, but you want the head for replant?
Yes. When you want it to keep the head on it, and the little bruise, you just ashes it and it keep until next year, until now. Nothing do it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Eccleston, you see why this man getting your knife?
That's why we store yam. When we dig yam to store to catch the other year, we left the head on it. When it grow, we cut off the eye and it keep until this day. From next year till now, it keeps same and dry and nice.
Wow. The greatest man in Jamaica. I met him. See him there. Captain
You
Jack.
want to keep it till the other year, don't take off the head. You put it down and it stays same way. But if you take off the head, not gonna keep.
I want to be like this man when I grow up. You know why, Eccleston, I want to be like this man? Do you see this big tree right here, sir? I implant it. You see that big tree there, sir? I implant it. This apple tree that you planted too?
Everything what you see.
Everything what you see here, sir, I implant it. You see that big breadfruit tree?
Everything what you look at.
Brother, listen to me. Y'all get video, you know. Stop it talking. This is for the world. You see that big breadfruit tree there? I implant it, brother. See it there? I implant that tree there.
Yeah.
All the way you look for.
And 50, 60 years ago the man plant them, you know.
All the way you look for.
I'm the greatest man in Jamaica. Eccleston, look there.
Alright, we take a check for some Chinese yam.
Now we're going to look for some Chinese yam now. A Chinese yam time, you know, brother. A Chinese yam time.
You know what you need to do?
Eh.
When your vehicle come pick up now for wife.
Well, you know have a car.
Stop red vehicle now, buy everything. That's all they get.
No, still the Chinese yam them go and
I
say.
don't want them annoying me
So
with my whereabouts.
let me ask you, you look a vehicle for rent.
I tell my other vehicle and I'm sell it.
So you renting a vehicle now?
Not no. Just freestyling.
And brother, why you never tell me that? Don't want you not ready?
Beer man, beer you pack a burn of them.
Don't want to beer so much that. Well,
Meet the empress.
brother,
I'm
you,
never really care, you know. I don't do what I have to do.
You need to stop the long talking. Hey, look on this. Stop it long talking. Come here, video to you know, me working now. You know what I said to you? Look on the video. A Chinese yam. So a China yam.
Nice.
So when I said to you, take a Knoxford, my brother, you never get this in your life yet. Me pick you up on the Knoxford. Whoa, that one your beer, God is good.
No, enough there night, you know.
Whoa, you can't done.
No, when you did, you can't fool one bag, man.
Whoa.
I show you how me plant and how.
Whoa. The greatest man in Jamaica. See the people. This is Captain Jack. Whoa. Whoa, people see there. The greatest Prime Minister. You don't need to name Honorable. This is the Honorable. Me take the Honorable from the Prime Minister. This is the Honorable Captain Jack. Blows and sky.
You show you how me operate, brother.
I saw the man operate.
You show you how me operate.
A Chinese yam them.
Chinese yam them, hear that?
Chinese yam.
See them?
Chinese yam.
It's not gonna see that. No, that's Chinese yam, the dark skin.
Whoa!
These are Chinese yam, brother. Sweet like a sugar. Nothing potato see so.
Eh?
Me tell you, sweet. And then easy to cook, they're easy to mash out. You have to watch them.
A Chinese yam. You have yampi?
Chinese yam, you're supposed to have yampi.
Him have yampi too.
You understand? So see how me deal with them.
Take the Knoxford. Me pick you up at the Knoxford.
Them folks don't know nothing about Knoxford one end, and neither myself. Me just move freestyle.
Just Google it.
Me get there. I'll get there.
Alright,
I got there. I'm gonna be here for all my whole year, man.
You
I
be.
ain't going back to America no time soon.
See there, brother.
This is the best people ever get you to come other than my wife.
Wow, look at this yam. This is the Chinese yam.
You have them there big and long enough, friend.
Wow.
And I can imagine him is a good cook too.
You can't say that again.
Oh my God.
You can't say that again, my brother.
I'm going to put
Alright, you want a bag, you know. Can I am?
Wow. Where may I come from the farm with today? Coconut, plantain, Chinese yam, and what the other yam, Mr. King?
Renta.
Renta yam. Wow.
You know easy no, my friend. It's easy when you have to farm and no. If you go for the top there, no normal.
Me no say no normal up there. You don't tell me already. Hey, Echo-san, in the one me, you know. In the one me and tell me, say, Randy. What? In the one me. So with all of these here.
How many acres you have there?
2 acres plus. About 4 acres. You want to, let me show you, hold on. You want to get a get an apple right now for eat? Let me pick one for you.
That may look sweet too.
Oh man. Wait there, let me bite it for the Empress. Look there. See, make the Empress know, sir. Make the Empress know, so you have very. The Empress know, so you. See that people. Make sure know, so you have very wealthy friends. Our health is our wealth. See it there?
Yeah.
And so we're rich in our Eccleston. We not even want to wash fruits.
Everything up.
We don't wash fruits around here, so you know, we just pick it and eat it.
Feel the environment.
There's no fertilizer.
Feel the environment itself alone.
Mm-hmm.
You feel the environment itself alone?
Mm. Captain Jack,
So which area this is in Mobile?
we can't say it on the phone.
Okay.
We're keeping him private.
Yeah. I got the grip.
Yeah.
I know the rules and regulations.
Because let me tell you something. If you find the angel, you don't tell everybody we're heaven there. Hey!
Everybody has one call the most high.
Mm-hmm. No, we have to go put him under lockdown. Because here one now. Eccleston, that's why I introduce him to you, you know. Because I know so you'll take care of him, okay? I may introduce him to the other generals.
Everybody that gets right now, make a move.
Because
So you make a move, with a dollar friend come make a move.
only the generals them him a go know. You can't make the peasants. Eccleston, we can't make the peasants them come around here, so.
That's order. But tell the empress there's an order me get and I have to do it.
Mm-hmm. This is a mission for you.
That's part of my movement and I bring her to deep. Not yet. I'm going to take my time with her.
Mm-hmm.
Willing to learn.
Eccleston, may I go introduce you to another general. He doesn't talk much, but him having gun on his hip at all times. Eccleston,
Yes, sir.
may I go introduce you to me other, you know the man was saying follow me? Him gun is visible upon him hip at all times in public. So I'm gonna go to the apple tree and start picking some up. I'm gonna pick some of the apple them. I'm gonna pick some apple. Yeah, we have a stick, right? Okay. Eh? Yeah, that would be nice. Wow. An apple tree not too hard for climbing, you know. That one that look like it have one spanny. Duck hands. You bring bag up there? So you not bring bag with you?
But me now reach you with the hand. I still not going then go Japan good up.
Oh. You know they have some stick with a net.
And you have so you can put the pan, tie a pan underneath here and put it underneath. Like put a bucket here so.
Yeah.
And you pick it to drop into the bucket.
People remember when we used to use them flowers there in a bamboo and make flowers in a bamboo. You see? And make wow, this is life, people. Yeah. This is Jamaica. This is the greatest man in Jamaica. So basically,
the rain cane.
oh, where the cane?
Might find a little one up there. Yeah, from there, then you have really for big cane. I cut them.
Oh man.
Sell them and plant them.
Wow.
Put it again. Put it like here, so. And put it on like orange.
You need some water. People. Jamaica, good life. You're not the farm right now. Yeah.
How many can do this as a one man?
Eh?
How many can do this as a one man?
Do all of this farming and work for
As
the.
a one man.
It take time, you know.
I'm not there so every day.
But you know, a man say, no man is island. But you see me say, no, well, if a man have time, you know, him can do what 10,000 man do.
Yeah, at time.
Because if you want to do this, somebody will say, why you need help, you know, you can't do it alone. But what did you do to do it alone?
Not that thing one just do.
Just take your time. So when they make comments like, no man is a highland, but sometimes the amount of work what me do in my lifetime, I don't want nobody to say that, because me take my time and I get it done.
Yes.
So then, me must just involve people because they make the comment there. And then them go say, if you want something done right, do it yourself.
No, you to say but I want to say. No matter what.
Captain 60 years old, you know.
Yeah?
And the man up in the tree like say.
No, me climb any tree, man. Coconut tree, any tree, anything. Me climb it, gone pan.
Wow.
Climb any tree, brother.
Wow, this a man is the greatest man in Jamaica. Man is 60 years old, you know. And I implant the tree where I'm climbing, you know, look quite big. The man I go and like a little god down on earth. A little god we call him. There's the big god and the little god. You have the bucket on the thing. I go put the bag underneath the tree. Alright.
No, if you go fit there, no matter how you do. Bucket now over them. Mango. It is good in the mango, but the apple now too much. Apple too much to one side. And the thing now when they drop them go blue.
I'm going to try catch them.
And then drop them go blue. The bucket now go very good. The reason why they too much in a bunch.
Yeah.
So now if you pick them out, the right.
Well, what usually happens, you have two people, one with the bucket underneath it stick, a big pan, and the other one with the stick, right? Wow, look how them bunch up, man.
Yeah, don't take all the bucket and use the saucer stick. I don't know, maybe bucket might help. Bucket might help sometimes.
Well, what happened is the bucket. Oh,
You see, I think
oh, there you go. And it no crush up too bad, you know. No bad, man, because remember, you know, we're going to eat them now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, just pick them. I go wash them. I'll make juice with them. So no matter if they drop, you just pick.
Them sweet, you know.
But no, this a kind of juice, yeah. Look how much of them there, man. And them are go just rotten.
And drop a bird, I eat them.
Boy. So make it rain. Yeah.
See what me do now? Me do it that in this side, the other one then. Pick out the riper one. Cause them delicate.
Yeah, man.
Them delicate.
Very. Yeah. So we're gonna make drinks out of these. We're gonna make drinks out of them. You know, say you can blend two of the seed too when you blend everything. Yeah, man, just once a month you blend it. And like that I go clean you out. Yes, sir, just one, not too much, because seed have poison in it. So you need it for poison the body, for the parasite them in the stomach. When the parasite them see the poison them say, Lord! Cause it no taste good. And anything bitter no taste good. The parasite them hate it, that's why they hate susumba.
Okay.
Remember say donkey no spit out seed?
Yeah.
And donkey strong, right?
Yeah.
You ever see donkey eat and a spit out seed? Cause when donkey eat, you know, they're not strong. You know, they don't have everything, sir. Yeah. The donkey don't have everything.
Man.
Answer me.
I can't tell you, 'cause I don't know that part there.
Me say when you see donkey and yam, then just bite everything. I don't like you see donkey a bush at all, but me no want the apple seed there, you know, because I gonna mess up my teeth. Donkey yam everything. Yes, people. I'm gonna make some. What am I telling you? Just you look on the amount of pear tree, me I go. So you just pick them and bring them and go give it away. Wow. Give yourself because at the end of the day you have it in a bungle. Yeah. You have it in a bungle. That's why Jamaican people bless. Because all them have to do a plant pear tree. And they don't need to buy no soda. And then just blend it and freeze it forever. All you need a solar panel and light.
Bird, I eat them. Bird, I make them, whoa, up the top of some black one.
Well, look at that.
Watch out,
Jano.
watch out, it's a bunch of, you want it black.
When we did little in our Linstead, we used to climb them, you know, brother.
Watch out. Well, I loaded on black bungalow.
What? Hey! Them all come down, split in half, cause that's how far them a come from. But we just wash them good. Boom! Boom! Georgia. 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 We're good, man. Cause some of them have to go back into the ground. Yes, sir. We're good at that.
Every week it's on the farm, and look how the farm needs something that they can't find to eat.
And the thing about this farm, no ticks not there.
No, you know, not things.
No farm when we go man, the ticks not normal.
None of this. Mosquito here at some point. Find mosquito like in the late season.
Okay, unlike Portland,
But one mosquito.
enough mosquito there at Portland. See it there? That's Jamaica good life. So we're gonna get some of them apple tree and plant them. And basically that's how we live in Jamaica. Yeah? Yeah. People, this is Randy, the girls them candy. Big up to Sunday. Right now, see it there? We're down at the farm. And get some coconut today to drink. I'm be traveling soon, so the Almighty bless me for my health and for my breathing. You see, when sea rough, I catch Captain Jack at a good time. See the rough. And you know, so Mr. said the sea rough. I'm really supposed to go see, can I get my fishing license, you know? And I said, God, why you make the sea rough? Because you know, me just get my fishing license and I'm ready to go out. And God said, because you have to change your plans. And when you come this morning and you say, why? I think I go see today, you know. And I say, what you say? And you start talking about the farm and I say, no sir. You can pick them up. You feel your wife over here, so. Listen, and you say, no sir, you know, go.
I'll stay at the farm, you say, no, come head first.
You say, I'm go see today. So I say, what you say? You know, I'm go see today. So I say, okay then, friend, let us see what you're talking about. Because you said to me, you have something to show me. And I said, what you saying? And he was right. And just something there, I say, you know, everything. This I go shot the world. People head I go hot them. Them I go on come on Jamaica. They say, wait, Captain Jack? Can I meet Captain Jack? Well, who are you? Yeah, man. You're gonna have a lot of friends, man. Friends in beautiful places.
Yeah, call up to last night, wife, they asked me saying what?
Take up anything you want.
Say what? What up? Oh, don't lose up.
Get the good one then for wifey.
Man, in good yes.
So we are go make.
Them have sugar and pressure too, enough eat too much of the sweetness too.
So wait there. She no, so you not give her nothing for the.
Yeah, the medication.
Oh, okay. She not like take natural stuff.
But she and the medication. Oh, Glenny.
Yeah.
God, it's not very right.
No man, we like them not too ripe. Bruh.
Finish up your work and I'll let you go here now. May go here and come back.
Yeah.
Without shade, I can come back. Come plant them potato seeds.
Okay.
No, today, about 3 days since the moon full. Today's a good day. We just come back and come plant out them. Want the rain though, I plant them in the pine up at top. Them potatoes, they are good potatoes.
Wow.
Good breed of potatoes. Now come back and plant them out.
Mhm.
And just let you go now.
Mhm.
Let you go. And then we move on.
Boy, today was a shock. Today was a shock, my friend.
Me get you some coconut if you will see rice. You have rice, coconut different, you know.
What you say? Oh, so.
Yeah, come on, I'm going to. We call these coconut no native.
A mango tree that or so.
We call it native.
Mhm.
If you cook rice and peas.
Yeah.
But outside, you know, you have to come alright up at that tree, so.
Okay.
You want to go along here, so.
Them native, how them different?
No, it's not native. You know the difference. It's not native. Go straight and native. Let me go. Best coconut for rice and peas. Give flavor and everything.
I'm going to pick some apple too. Well, I mean, I tell you, say life rich, you know. Your health is your wealth. I find the place now. See it there? Yes, the blouse and skirt, Randy, always. Find it on the farm. We have to ring the alarm. Find it on the farm. See it there now. So right now we're there under the apple tree. What them say? Apple tree. Oh yeah, let's pick an apple for you. And let's pick an apple for me. Oh yeah, just like a little. We not even want to wash the apple. We want to take care of yourself in a Jamaica good life. I'm a good wife there. I'm a good wife there. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. What a farm, sir. Wow. What a pleasure. Mm-hmm. 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 We're on the farm. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's it, yeah? That's the China yam. Mm-hmm. 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 Right now, it's the China yam. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Ah. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Everything organic. When you're living in Jamaica, good life. Everything organic. You don't want to poison your body, and you meet the best farmer, the greatest man in the world. Yeah. There's the people. See that? Jamaica greatest man. Right there. See that? Jamaica greatest man. His name is Captain Jack. He's a fisherman, farmer, musician, and he makes a Jankuna drum. This man planted all these trees around about 50 years ago. And this is what we call honorable. This is the man that make Jamaica great. Many prime ministers has passed and come, but no man greater. That's why I have a gift in my bag. That gift was given to me, but because he's greater than I am, and there's not many on the planet as great as Randy, you know. But that man is greater than me. And when you find a man greater than you must always show him honor and respect. So, all the breadfruit tree there are him. I him planted. See this right there, so? I can only dream one day to be as great as this man. For him.
Yeah, no, nothing good enough, brother.
Eh?
I don't know when them here now, some big something them, you know.
What them coconut here?
Breadfruit.
The breadfruit them?
Yeah, man. And by you put them in a fire and turn them 2 times, them ready. The yellow heart, them, you know, what them big breadfruit.
So you know how to catch the breadfruit sucker them?
Yeah, man. You catch any amount.
How you do that? By the root?
Yeah. If any rain there, yes, I'll show you. You see them spring up and then you cut off the root and set it. Them grow by you. But true, me cut them down. I don't want them a lot. Me cut them down.
Okay.
Yeah, me cut them down. They grow up a lot, but if they grow, me cut them down. I don't want too much of them.
Okay. You cut them down a lot?
Eh?
When they spring up?
Yeah, me cut them down.
Please don't cut them down again, please.
We cut them down because we don't want them to come up too big.
Just call me and make me take them.
Alright.
Cause one plant up Manchester. Cause remember say, maybe me go have more picnic. You see what I say? So, the way me I see it, you know, Captain Jack, if me want to be great like you, I are the greatest man in the world, then me have to just come back to the country and start my farming. You see? And then me might meet a girl and she said she want me to take her over the world. But before me do that, probably 4 picnic come out. And then now them are gonna need fruits.
All of that.
And then I'm gonna need to take over my work. Who knows?
Never can tell.
Because look what you see.
No, these are the time what we needed. Cause time hard, things rough. Everything in supermarket getting sky high.
Yes.
No, this is the thing to go.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah, this is the way to go to survive. If you don't have this, you can't survive.
No.
And you have the money, you can't buy what you want.
I remember, you know. So even if you not cut some of the coconut, just I remember, you know, my brother.
So,
Me I go.
that's what I think.
Tomorrow you might be going to sea, right?
Not sure.
Not sure.
The way that don't good as it kind of look so
You look pretty.
Yeah.
Cause what I go do before me leave, I go force my uncle to come over here, so now. Cause I'm have to see this.
No, this go.
So when it start growing, it no good.
It's good, but it have to go use the same time.
Okay.
You can't put it down, roach her and it's gonna eat out the eye.
Okay. So we
And
use it
spoil
right
it.
away.
Yeah,
Like the coconut milk.
yeah.
So more my uncle for see this right away. Because now him know where to get him yam. When me bring some of this for him, I go say, no, so more want to get a bag of banana trash.
You want me sign? You want me sign a bet?
What's the bet?
You want me sign a bet? Can we sign a bet? Anybody who you give this food to, go and lick it down with stone, because you have to find more give.
Oh shit. Oh shit, so I have to keep you private then. Shit. Shit.
But when you start to eat, you say, no man, but where you get this from?
Shit.
You want more, can go and tell us and bring more come.
Shit.
Because the natural spirit of everything is very, very natural.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a natural. So the last child Bob Marley would have say a natural what? Domestic is blowing through the air.
A natural mystic
Mystic is
blowing through the ear, yes.
Just something like this.
Yeah, that is what you are.
Natural.
Mm-hmm. What you are, you're greater than 10 Prime Minister. So that is, I tell you brother, for me in a life meet a man like you, I know say,
I don't know what I'm doing, you know, but I'm just doing.
yeah, no, God bless me for meet a man like you. Now me have to go hide you for everybody to me think say me I go make you go public and give out your number. No, me no, cut it off. Me have to go wait for show that video to nobody. I have to introduce you to my good friend them only and shut off the world. Randy, don't do that. But you're not a member of Jamaica Good Life. It's for members only, right? Me can't just make the whole world come running. No selected people. Eh? Doesn't...
I don't know what I'm doing, because enough time I say I don't know what I do, but I do.
Yeah, God give you a gift, my brother. Frank, you want to meet this man? Enough of them I go and say, Randy, give me...
No.
What happened?
Them is growing.
Wow.
What now grow? I don't think this will grow.
Captain, you know, it's enough time I meet people, right? I'm going to show them on the program. I have some people then go around me. Meet the people that I'm going to show. Don't even say thanks, Randy. You know when people go back at you?
Yeah, me understand.
And them not even call me and say, Randy, you good? If me run out of gas money, I do the show, you know. Or me hungry, you know. But you see, when they see sitting where they want, them go around me, meet the person, tell the person all kind of foolishness about me, so me can now go away and then move in. You know how much people do that to me? So you see, you know, with all of this wealth, me I go keep you private with my friends them. Me I go introduce you to some good people. Because you see the whole of them out there?
Well, the thing is you have pirate and everything, so you have to know the pirate.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like, but me no watch the pirate, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Can't no survive for long.
Mm-hmm. Captain, nobody kill out yourself, you know, because we will do that on our ends.
They're good, you know, man.
So we know
Know where they go.
No,
Right here, some of them. Yeah, just the right up there, so not far from here.
okay.
Just 2 steps and me reach home.
Wow. You know what impressed me most about your thing? 1, it organic. 2, it peaceful. And anybody can come here, so. Right? You know why? Because Candy's up there and Nadine up there.
Sometimes, we come here and we just walk around and look. And we take out a sponge inside of the thing there. And it's bed there, so you just spread it and just lie down and relax. And when I'm ready, we just get up and do some work. You understand? Sometimes we come and just feel just such a, I don't know, just to get some cool fresh air. I just lie down and relax. Ready, me just get up and you find, if you see when me get up the amount of work me do.
Yeah.
Less than no time. Just relax the body. Just get some fresh air, like how you feel the time is going cool now. If you notice, listen the climate.
Yeah.
It's just quiet, cool, and then all you hear the birds. Just natural.
Nice.
You know, you hear no noise, no sound, nothing. You just natural, mystic, just going through the air.
Yes.
And you enjoy that vibes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's what I said to you.
Yeah. That's the thing I'm talking about. Not sure.
What kind of tools you would need? What tools you're missing?
Like in the farm.
Yeah, or just in general, what kind of tools you need?
Well, I don't really missing anything right
Chainsaw?
now. With that I would need a little chainsaw. Because I'm ready to burn fire coal, you know. Can burn a lot of coal. When me ready.
You roast
when me
hog too, you
like
do all kind of things.
Yeah, man.
So let's say a family wanted to cook out in the bush.
That's my greatest thing. Bush cooking nice, you know, brother.
So a family could come and cook out with you.
Yeah, man.
So then,
nice,
then let me ask you something.
Nice.
So if we get some tents,
like you little tent them and thing.
yeah,
You see, I really have me not even have that in mind. I just
you just want to come and go.
Yeah.
Just a shed. But what I say, the tent is a shed if it rain.
Yeah,
A place for sit down and eat, like a zinc thing.
Oh, me understand.
Because
like
if
for the day, like
a day trip. Because what happen is, if a family want to come down,
enjoy bush life.
Bush life,
Yeah.
and eat some whatever is on the bush,
Yeah.
and then they can roast some yam.
Yeah.
Are you that?
Me get you.
Because
I enjoy.
full joy.
Yeah.
I was planning a Jamaica Good Life vacations.
Because a lot of people don't know this type of life, you know. Every day in the hot system in the home, no moving, no, they don't know what about farm and cool out and those things.
Yeah.
You know, it's a different environment. And these environment, these are natural.
Yeah.
They keep you healthy, make you fresh. If you notice in the country, those people are in the cool like this into the darker hills.
Yeah.
If you notice how they cool and look fresh and nice.
Yeah.
Because the cool of the environment.
How old are you again?
Me? Me's actually 60 right now.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. He's 59. Yeah.
And what size shoes you wear?
March I come now, me's full 60.
What size shoes you wear?
8.5.
What's the best food you cook? Cow cod soup, Spanish water.
Me no food or red meat, brother.
Oh, straight fish, shark.
Straight fish are vegetable.
Okay, that. So you know eat them things there.
Me eat like me eat chicken now, but not much. Me just fancy it, but like chicken foot or those things make soup and then things there.
But you know fancy the chicken, just the foot.
Me eat it, but me not really fancy it. Not too fancy red meat. No one again meat piece of pork. No one again.
Cool. Same so with me.
Yeah, no one again. Once a blue moon, but me no fancy red meat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me like me fish, any type of fish. Anything in a fish. Vegetable, me that. Fruits, any type of fruits. My meal now, me love porridge.
Porridge.
Love porridge.
What kind of porridge?
Any kind of porridge. Me love soup and them thing there. Me not too love rice.
Okay.
Like natural food like this now, yam and banana, me like that, but me no love rice. White rice and brown rice, me not too like nothing in a rice.
Got it.
But me will eat it when saying that, but me not like it.
Got it.
Yeah.
So whenever the sea is good, you like sea more than farming?
Yes. When the sea not working, we just farm.
Got it.
It's two environment. And if you look at it, that's what me work with. Sea is another part of the world. Just like the farm, the environment, with the coolness and the quietness and everything, is another world. Just like the farming. The two of them is like they correspond, but it's two different kind of variety.
Got it.
Yeah. But it actually moving the same way. But only thing, the water is different from the land. So it's like two different parts of the world.
Got it.
Because if you in the farm right now, you can feel a difference from outside of the road.
Of course.
That's what I'm talking about.
So that's
what I'm talking about.
With my hungry belly, me just want when you're there, I come sit down and just lay down. And just eat and go back home. At least once a month. Can I come visit? Me bring me have my own sponge. Cause you see there's a fresh air right there, so I just make you young, man. And me notice you have a red cane with tall. Oh. Wow. Wow, people. And him say him follow me. And this man is not of the politician persuasion, but he's a man that show his gun in public while he's walking. And this man say, Randy, I follow you. The man will say, he's my mentor, you know. The man say, follow me. So when me find you, Captain Jack, and you greater than me, me say, no, sir. Me have to go sit down. Me have to introduce Eccleston to this man. Because me never know say nothing out there greater than me. Yeah. And remember, no, Eccleston, you must come dig all the yam and take it and sell it at a profit, please. This is what I try to set you up with me, king. You don't understand what I try to tell you? You're not listening! Eccleston, you're not listening! Eccleston, you're out of order. Let me tell you why you're out of order. If I have a car in my bay and I'm leaving the 19, shouldn't you have my car? You're not listening.
Remember, you said you were doing some work, so I didn't stress you in that area, but it's not too late, you know, for a shower or rain, and I'm here. Jamaica is not that big.
Listen to what I'm saying to you.
And to get to you is not a problem.
You get the crates and you get the yam and you sell it at a profit. You're not listening. You have a Voxy with 8-seater, you can take out some of the seat. You're not listening.
I am listening. I just tell my wife that's what I would like to do. Get into the groove here.
Oh, you mean farming?
You have the product, him have the Voxy, and I'm not here. He's not listening. You see? A man that dig yam like this, why should we let him sell it to anybody else? Eccleston, why should this yam be sold to anybody else but us?
I'm telling you. Man with righteous heart and conscious mind.
And the yam, Eccleston, is organic.
When you eat this yam, you're coming for more and more, my brother.
I use the medical the boat that make, you know. And this one, and get the cassava great.
Eccleston, remember, Eccleston, remember, say, remember when God gave me 20 acres in Africa for free? Remember that?
Yeah.
Now, remember, some have mansions all over the world is waiting on me. Remember that?
I know.
You see what God give me now? Infinite wealth and health. What did God give me this morning? God give me yam without what? Fertilizer. Where in Jamaica you can't hardly find yam without fertilizer? Eh? So, because these yam don't have no fertilizer, that means that the price must be different, right, Eccleston?
That kind of style?
Yes. So with this kind of yam, you're not listening. With this kind of yam, wouldn't it reverse your age? Hey!
Yeah.
With this kind of yam, wouldn't it make you stronger?
This will make Charlie produce more baby.
This will make you longer, stronger. This is God's work. No fertilizer, no man interception. The only thing man do is to put in the ground. Man no fertilize this, brother. The wicked fertilize. Some used to dig them long in St. Mary, you know. And you see when the people them see that video, Eccleston, then jealous. And say Randy always have all the wealth because Randy is blessed. And only my friends them where they treat me good. He's a. Only my friends them where they treat me good. Look there. You see how when you woman them eat this? Lord, Lord. Them say you, Randy. The girls them candy. Big up to Sandy. Hey. You see when you bring home food to woman and tell them say no fertilizer on the pan it and they clean out them ovaries. Captain Jack. The honorable Captain Jack. I can't say no more. I'm so happy today. God bless me. I know some I go live to 99 years old now. You know why I'm so happy, Echo-san? The man have Chinese yam and they no fertilize. You know what that I could do to your system? We not the health business, no brother. Remember say if any fertilizer going on the ground, it's spread, you know? Cook not get it too, right, sir?
I don't want to see it, brother. I don't want to see that thing there. Fertilizer, I don't want to see it. I not even touch it, much less holy. I need a bag, you know.
Look here, I saw I bring them out to my auntie and my uncle. Boy, you have to make the trip yourself, you know, I can't help you. I can only show you the heaven's gate, I can't bring you there. I can only show you heaven, I cannot grow wings for you. Okay?
You know, so over the whole place, all over the place, all over
I can only show you heaven. I can't point you in the direction. I can only show you. See heaven there? See coconut on the floor there? Hey. And when people are starved, we go to heaven and the food just drop off of the tree and rotten. Lisa, look on them banana here. Hey Christian, you have to come up. Look here. So him I go do, him I go just. God, he just sit down here and rotten. So now, I go just cut this. And I go keep it in the house and give it to my family. Eh? This is a Moby, you know. Echo-san, why you think Mr. Moby are the best place? This place is 10 minutes from the house. 10 minutes from the house. And the beach is 5 minutes from the house. So we have farming, and the fisherman place is 5 minutes from the house. And the farm is 10 minutes from the house. And the beach is 5 minutes from the house. Nowhere in Jamaica is as great as Moby. And this is Jamaica good life. See it there? Everything is 10 minutes away. The beach, the fish, and the food. I found the place. And the sugar cane. And the nutmeg tree. And the tangerine tree where him catch tangerine too. The man I got teach me how to catch tangerine. Look, banana just a fall along in a gutter. Eh? Look on banana. Look on banana. Remember say me a tour out Jamaica, you know, brother. And when you reach Moby now, you put 2 and 2 and 3 together, and Moby is the best place in Jamaica. Because now I know we're heaven there, the farm. And it's organic. Has to be 100% organic to be heaven. No fertilizer, no buy, and no banana root, yeah, so. None. None. So if people want to live, see there? None. No fertilizer. You know the pineapple them? Because if it did fertilize, it would have messed up the pineapple them too. You see me? Exactly. Ah, there you go. There you go. And that's why the food them taste so bad and they're not sweet. Because they mess up the whole food system. Today was the best day, man. I mean, I leave early. But God showed me, Sir Randy, you've been one of my best disciples. So you don't have to worry about nothing. I'm gonna share it with some of my best friends. So Eccleston, you don't have to worry about that thing. You're a member of Jamaica Good Life, and you're going to have a beautiful wife, and she's going to be healthy forever. And if you want to have children, they're going to be strong, because Uncle Randy have everything for their health. You hear me, I say?
Fix up now, man.
And see it here. So the coconut tree, them fearful plant, a Portland. Right here.
Really want to get the cleansing and thing.
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna forward the number to you. So why you not just buy it online?
You know what? I've been discovering when I go online. Down here, since every time I come and I use my card and the thing they do for the trip.
Alright, so here what?
Change PIN number so often.
So let me ask you, what kind of cleanse you need? We can't just get you what you need. What you need?
You need a fix up, man. You just need a overall fix up, you know.
So then, let me say to you, let's get her a quart. You call Yaya, I really me handle them things there. Let me see that, Mr. Brother. See man, give me a coconut. Hold on. Thank you, my brother. See the people.
Taste the Japan bus, I taste them very sweet. No care which one of them not pick. A sugar.
Echo-san. Ah, God. Ah. Them coconut, them me no buy nothing on the street where it tastes like this. Cause them have a certain coolness.
That's what me I tell you.
Them have a certain coolness about them. You know, regular. And them coconut look like them kind of long. Them not round, them long.
Yeah.
So them are the original coconut. Wow. Captain, give me a deal. So you hear me I say Eccleston, she needs the noni detox. She needs the blood certification, 1 quart. She needs the blood purifier. She needs the slippery elm, Copper's coconut oil, small one. And she needs the colon cleanse and the busy Vera cleanse. That's what she start with. Okay?
Yeah.
She finished those.
Yeah.
So all you need to do, we need to just price what she needs. I send it to you. You send cash up or whatever. We send it on in Oxford. Done. Because Yaya is going to tell you the same thing. She starts with that. If she's having a baby,
Yeah.
she's going to need something different. It's called before the baby and after the baby. But first she has to clean as soon as possible. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's what she needs to start, my brother. Okay? So you do that first, and then you take it.
I'm gonna tell you this one more time, you know. Even me googling this Knoxville thing, I'm not familiar with it at
Okay.
all.
So here may I tell you.
Period.
Let me teach you how the Knox.
I'm just moving around.
Let me teach you how the Knoxford works. The Knoxford work all across Jamaica. Okay? They're in different towns. They go all over. And you pay $20 US and you could book the ticket on the app. You could download the app and book your ticket, or you could go to the station and buy your ticket. Or you could call them. And the good thing with the Knoxford, taxis at the station, so you take a taxi from there wherever you want to go. They have bathroom and Wi-Fi. Okay? It's the best way to travel in Jamaica. So it's the safest way, private way, and the most luxurious way to travel in Jamaica. And if you want to deliver packages, I could send you some food and you pay for it when you get it. I text you the receipt and that's it.
Yeah.
So the Knoxford,
I'm gonna Google and see where it is out here in
yeah, just go to the website. Yeah, man. So make we sign off now. Let me finish up with Captain and we'll talk.
best I can get it for.
All right, and then Yaya.
Since I can get the hook up the yaya.
So what we're gonna do is just send it the package on the Knoxford, then you pick it up and pay for the shipment to the Knoxford. That's it. We do that all the time.
Yeah. Just send me the cost and everything.
I'll do that. So we'll talk later.
And I'll say go ahead.
We'll talk. But before we go,
Much bless them.
take a look at the blessings before we go. Take a look at the video.
Yeah, alright.
See the blessings?
They're beautiful.
Now we're gonna have some. So that's the yam. We're gonna go pick some pear.
Go back to the planting again.
Eh?
Oh, there you go.
Okay, my brother.
Yeah.
So we will talk.
So we'll talk.
Put the canyon in.
Yeah, my brother. Okay.
Yes.
I mix up with the rent and I squeeze them, use them up.
Mm-hmm.
You want dry coconut? You want dry coconut?
Yes, sir.